Pay attention. We're going to do a quadratic formula question. The roots of the equation 0 equals x squared plus 6x plus 10 in simplest a plus bi form are. So when you're taking the test and the question asks you to put into a plus bi form, that right away is telling you you're probably going to have to use the quadratic formula. Okay? This is the quadratic formula here. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4c over 2a. Okay, so you see the different letters A, B, and C here. A represents the number in front of the x squared. So in this case, there is no number, so A will just be 1. B represents the number in front of the x, and C represents the last number. And you're just going to substitute from here. X squared, negative B. 6 is positive, so it's going to be negative 6. If 6 was negative, then it would become positive. This negative b just means use the opposite sign of whatever's here. Plus or minus the square root, 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10, and that's over 2 times 1. When you're taking the test, you want to show all the work that you can, build up partial credit just in case you make a minor mistake. Okay, so this becomes negative 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over 2. Okay, the second we have a negative underneath the square root, that becomes an I. That's why on the top it said a plus bi. So the negative underneath the square root becomes an I on the outside, and the square root of 4 is 2. And that's still over 2. Last step is simplify. Negative 6 divided by 2, 2i divided by 2. That becomes negative 3 plus or minus 1i, or just I. There's your answer. A plus bi form. Make sure that your answer, if it's a short answer question, is in this form. Okay? All right, be well.